Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope that you're having a really beautiful day. First of all, happy 2024. I wish you all the love, all the health and all the money in the world. I didn't plan to do this kind of video. I was riding off-road. It was a really beautiful day here in Croatia, around 15 degrees. It's winter time, but honestly it feels like a springtime. So I thought to myself, I'm going to take a ride today and do some kind of silent video. Then there wasn't enough light and now I'm making this kind of video. My channel got monetized like maybe two weeks ago, I think. I'm not earning any kind of money from YouTube, but it really makes me happy. I have a heart under here where you can leave donations or super thanks. I know that nobody's going to leave any kind of donations, but it's really nice to have. Thank to all of you who subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Few of you like my videos, watch my videos and leave the comments below. It really helps with your algorithm, and I really love your positive comments, your wishes, your thoughts. So thank you very much. I know that this content is not for everyone. Some of you think that my channel is boring. Some of you don't like my broken English. Yeah, I know that I don't have a vocabulary of, I don't know, a poet or science physicist, but to those of you who don't like my English, don't like my channel, you can unsubscribe and go somewhere else. There are so many channels. So yeah, thank to all of you on Instagram also. There are a lot of you on Instagram who likes my photos, comment, ask me about my bike. Thank you so much. But yeah guys, it's getting dark. Thanks guys. Peace.